Versus Function bringing you guys a new video. It's an update video. As you can tell, you're probably wondering why it's a black screen. It's because I don't want to show my face or anything, and it's night for me, and I just wanted you guys to know this, that I changed my skin in Minecraft to the white one I had, and I'm not that sick anymore. I'm starting to get a little bit fresh. I mean, yeah, it's about to go away, if you know what I mean. And yeah, the reason why I changed back to my white Operation Smoke skin is because I seriously don't know, and I've been traveling around skins a lot, and I know you guys don't like it, and I'm so sorry, but there's just a lot of skins that I like and that I want, and I'm trying not to change skins as much as I actually do. So that was just a quick little information video you got there. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Leave a like down below. Comment what you're next. Subscribe for more. And yeah, peace.